3, 2. This is Bay Launcher 2. It is only in stores. We brought it with $50. We tried it, and it can be the two left, right, and left. But when you take off this one, it is locked. Let's try the right one. On the Gravity Pegasus Beyblade. We buy it. Here is it.
It's new boy.
It is new boy.
And the cartoon.
It is Gravity Pegasus. Let's see versus the Capricorn.
Storm Capricorn.
3, 2, 1, and 3. This is the right side. 3, 2, 1, and 3.
He's not very strong with the right.
But with the left, you will see. Oh, the Capricorn won. The Storm Capricorn won. This is a nice thing. Let's see with the left side. If you hide it, you will not know how to take this off. It will be like this. Look, you do like this and turn it like this and take it off, and put it like this and look.
We have a launcher grape that's color is green. Look. But it's not original. It's not real. Let's get back to the Bay Launcher.
Let's see versus the Metro L. Let's see. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
The Gravity Pegasus is on the counter mode.